Hello, dear students. In our few sessions which we have studied earlier in your environmental science, we have already seen about the environmental awareness, in which we have studied about air pollution and water pollution. In our this session, we are going to study about the soil pollution. Now, soil pollution, in simple word, is the degradation of the earth's land surface by the human activities and misuse of the land resources. Due to the various human activities, the soil is now losing its fertility on the larger scale due to the addition of different types of harmful chemicals, pesticides, insecticides, herbicides, due to the deforestation, as well as due to the construction of various industries and improper or misuse of the land resources. The problem which is arising nowadays on the large scale is of soil pollution. So there are different causes of soil pollution. For example, uh, haphazard disposal of urban and industrial waste means the all the industrial waste or the domestic waste which is released from various industries and household uses is directly dumped in improper way on the various land surfaces, which leads to the soil pollution. Second cause is the exploitation of minerals. Now, as we know that different types of minerals are present inside the earth's crust, due to various activities like excess mining and removal of those minerals and excess use of those minerals, the soil pollution problem is arising on the larger scale. Next cause of soil pollution is harmful agricultural practices. Now, harmful agricultural practices includes the use of excess chemical fertilizers and pesticides in the agricultural land. Those chemical fertilizers or pesticides are used to increase the crop yield, but due to excess use of those chemicals, the soil fertility is reducing day by day, as those chemicals does not get properly mixed inside the soil, which causes the soil pollution, and the fertility and productivity of soil is decreasing day by day. And these improper agricultural practices are carried out because as the population is increasing, the demand for the food is also increasing, and to increase or to fulfill those demands, different intensive agricultural parameters are carried out nowadays. For example, deforestation is carried out. The forest land is converted into the agricultural land, and in those areas where earlier forests were present, now the agriculture is carried out. Monoculture is performed, means a single type of crop is taken in any particular area, and to increase the yield of crop, different types of fertilizers, pesticides and herbicides are spread on the crop, which leads to the decrease in the soil fertility and increase in the soil pollution. Next cause is urbanization. Urbanization means construction of the different buildings and factories by carrying out the process of deforestation. Various forests are cut, and in those areas now the construction is carried out, or in simple word, the forest or our jungles are being cut and the concrete jungles have been developed at those areas, Then informal settlements, poorly maintained sewage pipes. As the waste from various industries and household or the domestic waste is carried with the help of sewage pipes. If those sewage pipes are not proper, then these wastewater get mixed with the soil present around those pipes, and sorry and due to mixing of those sewage water with the soil pollution problem arises. Now, these were the causes of soil pollution. Now we will see what are the effects caused after the soil pollution. The first is the seriously disrupt the balance of nature. If the soil pollution keeps on increasing day by day, it will completely disturb the balance of nature. Now, how does this balance of nature will get disturbed? If the soil fertility will decrease, soil pollution if it increases, the crops will not grow properly at that land. Even the need for food, clothing and shelter cannot be fulfilled due to the disruption of the soil or balance of the nature. Then pesticides which are spread in the agricultural land, they kill different types of pests, but with the killing of pests they also affects the crop yield. Then, as we are spreading these different types of chemicals on the crops, with the some pollutants can get into our system indirectly or directly by eating those vegetables grown in the contaminated soil. If the soil is contaminated and different types of food products if they are grown in that soil, then those contaminants or the pollutants present inside the soil may get directly or indirectly inside our system, which may cause various harmful types of diseases to the consumer. Then, how we can prevent our soil or our mother earth from getting polluted is by using three types of R, which is reduce, means we should reduce the use of different types of chemicals, pesticides, fertilizers, etc. Reuse, different types of plastics, glasses, or various types of materials which are made from the plants, like paper, can be reused or recycled, so that for the manufacturing of new one we don't need to cut another plant. So we can reduce, reuse and recycle all the material which is present inside the environment or around us in our surrounding. One should collect degradable and non-degradable waste in the separate bins. With the help of degradable waste, we can perform the process of composting, and non-degradable waste are transferred for the proper disposal purpose. Then we can also perform soil remediation for the polluted soil wherever there is the soil contamination is occurred, or if the soil is polluted, then the various remediation techniques should be utilized to remove the pollutants from that soils. We should plant more and more trees and stop deforestation or afforestation, which reduces the problem of soil erosion. Means due to the cutting of different types of plants, the soil present around the roots of those plants get loosed, and due to high wind flow, the soil from that land gets flown away with the wind, which leads to the soil erosion. And these soil erosion problem can be avoided by stopping the deforestation or planting more and more trees. So these were all about soil pollution. Thank you.